Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Richland County, northeastern Morrow County, northwestern Knox County, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mount Gilead, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Gilead, Lexington, Fredericktown, Belleville, Waterford, Butler, North Liberty, and Chalk. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio.